It's a beautiful morning, and Peppa Pig is playing in her garden when she notices something strange. A sparkling butterfly flutters by, leaving a trail of glittering dust behind. Curious, Peppa follows the butterfly to the edge of the garden. Peppa calls her friends Susie Sheep, George and Rebecca Rabbit to join her. They follow the butterfly through the gate and into the woods. They discover a hidden path they've never seen before. The path is lined with glowing flowers and tall, mysterious trees. As they walk along the path, the friends hear soft music and the sound of laughter. They realize they've entered an enchanted forest, filled with magical creatures and hidden wonders. Peppa suggests they explore and see where the path leads. The group comes across a shimmering pond. In the center of the pond is a golden lily pad, and on it sits a tiny frog wearing a crown. The frog introduces himself as Prince Frogsworth and asks for their help. Prince Frogsworth explains that the enchanted forest has lost its magic. The Golden Acorn, the source of all the forest's power, has gone missing. Without it, the magic will fade away, and the forest will return to an ordinary woodland. Peppa and her friends eagerly agree to help the prince find the Golden Acorn. He gives them a special map that shows the way to the hidden grove where the acorn was last seen. The map glows and changes as they move, guiding them through the forest. The friends follow the map deeper into the forest. They encounter talking animals, sparkling streams, and colorful birds along the way. Each creature they meet gives them a clue to help them on their journey. They come across a riddle engraved on a stone tablet. The riddle says, "In the heart of the forest where the shadows play, the golden acorn waits at the break of day." The friends realize they need to find the heart of the forest and wait for sunrise to find the acorn. As night falls, the friends find a cozy clearing to rest. The trees around them glow softly, and fireflies light up the sky. Peppa encourages everyone to stay positive and keep their spirits up for the final part of their adventure. In the early morning light, the friends reach the heart of the forest, a beautiful clearing filled with ancient trees and sparkling dew. As the sun rises, the clearing begins to glow, revealing the hidden golden acorn. Peppa carefully picks up the golden acorn, and the entire forest begins to shimmer with renewed magic. The trees sway joyfully, and the creatures of the forest celebrate as the magic returns. Prince Frogsworth appears and thanks Peppa and her friends for their bravery and kindness. As a reward, he grants them each a special wish. Peppa wishes for the forest to remain magical forever, so everyone can enjoy its wonders. The prince grants Peppa's wish, and the enchanted forest becomes a permanent magical haven. The friends bid farewell to the prince and the creatures, promising to return and visit whenever they can. On their way back, the path transforms into a colorful rainbow road, leading them safely out of the forest and back to Peppa's garden. They realize that although their adventure has ended, the memories will last a lifetime. Peppa shares the story of their magical adventure with their families, who are amazed by the enchanted forest. Everyone agrees that teamwork and a little bit of magic can lead to the most wonderful adventures.